almost winter in the southern hemisphere, and I know a lot of us will be running to wigs as protective hairstyles. Here are two types of wigs you need to have. Hi there, I hope you're doing okay. Let's get into the first type. The first one is a no lace wig. This can be a headband wig, a U-pot wig, a V-pot wig, a half wig, even a cap or a hat wig will do. A no lace wig is more convenient by far than a lace wig. You could literally put it on and get out the door. Personally, I enjoy a headband wig. This is what I'm wearing right now, and with a headband wig you have a bit of room. You can have some leave out, it can completely cover your hairline. You can play around with the headscarves or headbands that you use to accessorize your own wig. For me, I just usually put it on, leave out a bit of edges and brush them. I don't even slick them down or gel them down, anything, but get you a no lace wig. Sticking with the theme of convenience, the second wig I feel you need to have is a lace wig. However, lace that requires as little work as possible to install. Now for you, that could be a teapot wig, it could be a 2x6, it can be a 4x4 closure, it could even be a 5x5 closure. Whichever lace size you feel requires the least amount of work from you to install it, get that. For me, that would be a medium brown Swiss lace teapot wig. Furthermore, I will say that choose a hair texture that is also easy to maintain. So stick to loose curly textures like loose deep wave or deep wave. And also, if you're going for straight, stick to yucky or kinky straight texture. I feel like tight curly wigs need a lot of maintenance, as well as the straight silky hair textures also need a lot of maintenance. I don't know about you, but I enjoy a straight pressed out wig, and I feel like with a silky straight wig you will need to straighten it a bit more than say a kinky straight like this. With this one, I just really blow dried it and I passed the hair straightener once through it, and throughout the week all I would need to do is brush it to keep it straight and maybe blow dry it, and that is it. This is a teapot wig that I made using bundles from Dragon City, and I also wear this all the time in addition to this headband wig. Now if you want to see the video where I rated the best and worst shops to buy hair from when you are at Dragon City, then make sure to check out this next video. Thank you very much for watching, take care, and I'll see you in my next one.